Worried that your alignment is out? These 5 tire problems can cause very similar symptoms. A poorly manufactured tire can make your vehicle pull to one side. This is called conicity and occurs when the steel belts inside the tire are misaligned, causing the tire to roll to the side like a cone. If a tire separates, you have a belt that has pulled away from the tire structure and will result in eventual failure. A shimmy or a shake at low speeds is also an indicator of a separation. Uneven air pressure from tire to tire is a very common cause for a pull, so make sure all your air pressure levels are at factory specifications. A new set of tires should always go on the rear if you are not replacing the entire set. Never replace just one tire. When you rotate the tires, you may notice a pull. This could be because you had a mismatched tire on the rear that is now on the front. Leave it on the rear of the vehicle if this is the case. A correctly aligned vehicle will save on tire wear. Click below for more information on OEM Ford parts.